New machine day. Here's the setup techs actually use. First thing you need to think about is water. Water in and water out. This is your waste, and it's going to go down into either a bucket if you're on like a cart setup like this, or into any sort of waste piping that you're going to have in your shop. I suggest the waste pipe you put it into has quite a large fall on it so that milk doesn't get stuck in there. Next thing to think about is your water in. That's this one. What you need to do is make sure that's going to go onto your pump. I strongly suggest you have a cut-off valve before your pump to make sure that you can take it off as and when you want to. Before your pump, you're going to have your water filter. This is what protects your machine from limescale and is really important for all machines that we install. On top of the filter is the head. Then you have the water meter, which also shows how much water is going through this cartridge and will let you know when you need to exchange it. The next thing is power. All the 2-group and 3-group machines will need a 32 amp single phase, and that needs a commando socket. Okay, so the big blue ones, which we'll show you here. And that's basically your setup. The thing people get wrong is they put a little hole for all of these things to go through, but you can see you need a big hole in your counter so everything can pass nice and clearly up to the machine.